Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia and I hope you all are doing well. And in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make delicious street food snack called Adaakoa, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. So I have here maize, peanuts, dry pepper, dry ginger, Calabash nutmeg, cloves, and some salt to taste. So to start with, I'm going to transfer the peanuts onto a baking tray and I'm going to roast it on a low to medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. And whilst the peanut is roasting, I'll go ahead and roast the maize, and I'm going to be stirring it until it's golden brown. And as you can see at this point, it's golden brown, and once it becomes brown at this point, you just turn off the heat. And at this point, for the granules, I'm going to stir it only once and then let it roast again for about 5 minutes, and then we go ahead with it. Next, I'm going to grind all my spices. So I have here all my ginger, Calabash nutmeg, dry pepper, and I'm going to use my spice blender to blend it very smooth. So at this point, I have blended my spices and I'll set it aside. And it's smelling so nice. So after roasting the maize, I let it sit to rest to cool down, and now I'm going to use the spice blender to grind it or blend it. And as you can see, it's very smooth. For this recipe, you have to make sure the maize and the peanuts and all the spices are very smooth. And as you can see at this point, the peanut is also done, and I've allowed it to cool down. So I'm going to go ahead and blend it until it's very smooth. And as you can see, it's done blending and it's very smooth at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and combine all the ingredients together, and I'll be molding it into smaller balls. So with a clean hand, I am mixing everything together, and if it's too dry, you can add in a little bit of oil, or if you have peanut oil, you can add it to it, just a little bit, not too much. And I hope you are enjoying this recipe. If you haven't tried this before, give it a try. It's very, very nice and spicy. If you don't like it spicy too, you can also reduce the quantity of the dry chili added. So I hope you are enjoying this recipe. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And as you can see, it's all done at this point. Very, very simple with few ingredients. So thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you try this recipe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.